Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through live video monitoring on the Dreame Matrix10 Pro. If you're interested in the Matrix10 Pro, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can also find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals. So be sure to shop those links in the description. So let's enter into the device right here. There's actually a little shortcut camera icon we could select there, but I'll also show you within the device settings how to find the camera icon. Right-hand side, center of the screen, there's another camera icon. So we're going to go ahead and enter our activation code. And now we're going to be taken into the live view where we can control and patrol with our vacuum around our house, which is pretty neat. So let's go ahead. It's loading up right here. And once it opens, we'll go over all the controls and we can see everything in real time, which is pretty cool. We'll start in the left-hand side, bottom corner, manual controls to drive it. Up at the top there, we have our map. And from here, we can basically drop a point and it will go to that particular area. Or we can do the little super cruise. That's the house with the S, and we can add multiple points. To the right of that, we have our light settings, a little flashlight, auto or manual brightness. To the right of that, we have our microphone icon. We have our camera, so we can snap photos. We can also take 60-second increment videos. Then we have our little lightning bolt. That'll take it back home to recharge. We have a little pet icon. We can interact with our pets. It'll play noises. And then we also have a little pet snap feature. It'll go around, try to take a picture of our pet. So all of that can be accessed right here anytime with the overlay. And then that top bar gives us our current status. Left-hand side, that arrow takes us back out into the app. Currently charging is completed. We have a little question mark. It takes us through the welcoming tutorial for this. Then we have the little photo icon. So if we select that, it takes us to our photo album with our photos and videos that we just captured. And then those three dots show our cruising record and history there. So let's go ahead really quickly. Let's tap on our map. We'll just have it go to one spot. We'll have it go into this room. We'll select go. And now it's going to proceed to the designated area. So we'll watch it in real time. We don't have any of the studio lights on, so just natural light in the house right now coming through a couple of windows. That'll give you a good feel for what you can expect around your house. So it's heading to that location right now. Super smooth. It's making its way there. I see some dirt in the floor. We got to vacuum that up. Transitioning the carpet. Okay, it says unable to reach it, and now it's going back home. Maybe I have a carpet avoidance setting on. That's definitely possible. So here, let's see, just for fun. All right, I can drive it up there. Pretty responsive though. Just a little delay, probably at the mercy of your device and your network. Okay, we could snap a photo, right? So I'm gonna start taking a video as it returns back to dock, but you get the idea. You can patrol around, play noises for your pets, take photos and videos, see what's going on. All done autonomously for you, which is really neat. See if it has any trouble going back home. It turned the LED light on there for a second. When it gets dark enough, it'll automatically do that. We have the auto mode set. Okay, here we go. It's back to the station. Now it's lining up its approach, and then it will go right back in to recharge. All right, there we go. Perfect timing. That's it. Simple and straightforward live video monitoring with your Dreame Matrix10 Pro.